How to reset network settings in PC or laptop. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can reset that. So for that we will simply click on Windows icon. Here you guys will click on settings icon. After that you guys will search for reset. Once you reset search, you guys will see network status. So simply click on network status. After that you guys need to scroll till end, and on end you guys will see Windows Firewall Network Reset. So simply click on Network Reset. After that click on reset now, and once you click on reset now your network will be resetted, but you need to wait 5 minutes because after 5 minutes your PC or laptop will be restart automatically, and once it restarted you that process will be completed 100%. Thanks for watching.